Guys, this is the elimination lesson we went over. So elimination starts out like this. To eliminate, we need to come up with the rules. I timed everyone and I said, hey, look at this. If you do substitution, it took all this effort. You have to get the first x alone, plug it into the second equation, solve the equation, take that number and plug it in. If you do elimination, first thing you do when you do elimination is you do this, and then you have to cross out the ones here. As I cross that out, we share with everyone, hey, that's the process to doing it. You have to cross that out. What does that mean? It means you get the answer faster. And then you just do a simple arithmetic. X plus 3 is 4x. 7 plus 9 is 16. That was simple. It was easy. We could follow it along. The second problem, we went through it very quickly. Like, people, we're starting to get this. But I still want to know, can you, in your own words, tell me what this rule is? And the rule is, if they have the same variable has to have a positive and a negative in the equation. And then in rule 2, the elimination has to have the same number, the same coefficient. They have to be, one has to be positive, one has to be negative, one's negative, one's positive, and they have to have the same coefficient. Or as you guys number. And that'll help you solve any one of these eliminations until we get to the point where we have to start putting them in ourselves. So for this one, you'd cross out the y's and then solve. This one, you cross out the y's. This one, you cross out the x's. This one, you cross out the x's. This one is the y's. And then we keep going. And eventually, we're going to get to a problem where it doesn't simplify easily. We have to do a little extra work. So for this one, the 5 and the 7 are these are negative and positive, but they're not the same number, and these are the same number. So in order to do that, you have to multiply everything here by a -1. So if before you even start this one, you're going to have to do a little bit more work. And we'll express that more and go over that more in a later video.